Hold up now, take your time, let me get this right. You're tripping on what's in front of you, cause you're looking behind you. You got memories, but take it from me.
Hey guys, welcome back once again to my channel. It's your girl Aisha Narikxa for those on you. Karibuni sana. So it's actually in the afternoon. Imagine in the afternoon. So I want to go and do like some shopping, some restock shopping. But I also want to start to wash the utensils. I have like dirty utensils that I haven't washed. The ones from yesterday till now, imagine I haven't cleaned them, so I want to like wash them real quick, then prepare and go to the supermarket and buy some 2, 3, 4, then come back and yeah, and do like a mini shopping haul, I think. Yeah, so let me show you what I have right now, like the utensils that I have right now. Chafu. Those are the utensils, the dirty utensils that I have now, and I'm just planning like to clean them real quick, then I go prepare. So let me find a place where I can place you guys. I'm done with the utensils, so I want to go and like do clean up and all that, then after that we'll head out. Guys, I am done. Let me show you my fit of the day, then we go out. So this is just my fit. I'll be wearing I'm thinking of sneakers. Yeah, so let's go. So I am finally back. Look how nosy she is. Boy, achana vitu zangu. I'm finally back home. I bought some things. I bought just the normal stuff that you always see me that you always see me shopping, plus some 1 to 3 that are kind of new. So yeah, let me just show you what I got from the supermarket. Then after that I cook. Let me start now the most important things, because I got ice cream, yeah, and I have to put it before it melts. Yeah, so let me just show you quickly, then continue. So let me start with this. I got this ice cream. It was buy one get one, and the fact that it has been so hot lately, I was like, let me take this advantage. You know me and cold, we are not friends, but since it's sunny, let me take this advantage and eat it during the day. Yeah, this. And I also got beef. I'm planning to prepare beef. Let me put it let it cook as we continue doing the haul. Let me also put this one aside. Oh, and the other thing that we got that I'm supposed to put aside is I also got strawberries. Yeah, so let me put this one in the freezer first, then we continue. So now let's begin. I got this soap. I did not get the soap that I always use, called Zenta. I love Zenta, so like, let me just also try this one. Why not? Paper towel. This one's on offer. Yeah, 10 paper towel. And kindly bear with the noise, please. Kindly bear with the noise outside. Okay. Oh, these are just blueberries I got from the street. Not the street. I got it outside the supermarket. Yes. I got these tea bags. Alcohol, County, all time. I got this dawat rice. Also got another one. I got 2 of them. My kitchen cleaner has depleted, so I got this one. I love this kitchen cleaner, but I'm planning to try the Astonish one. Yeah, I'll try the Astonish one very soon. Also, my glass cleaner got depleted, but the other blue one is still there, but this one I use it for the table. The other one I use it for the mirrors. I got this rush, and plus they had this offer, this small Vim, this small rush. They had this small, I don't know why. Is it just me? You see these things, I call them Vim. It's just like all margarine. Most of us call it Blue Band, like even shoe polish, we call it Kiwi. Like, comment down below, like, what's that thing that you always call, like, I'm a Colgate. Get all the toothpaste, we call them Colgate. Comment down below me, what's that thing that you always have that name, and it has different brands, just like the way I'm calling this one Vim, and yet it's scoring powder. Yeah, for rush. Done with that one. So I got dry rice. I got sugar. These are just eggs. I also got so soft. I got this one because I have already bought another one just recently. Yeah, so I got this one to be for the other bathroom. So this one is the other one. Tissue, rosy tissue. Oh, soda. I did not get the cold one, so I had to pick the one from the fridge. I always prefer getting the cold one so that I can just decide where I want to put it apple kwa bucket or in the fridge. Yeah. I got this for the kitchen. The other one I depleted. Cortex pads. I don't know, it's me, Ama, cause squeezy every time when I go to look for these cortex pads, I don't get the one that I use. I don't get the no, it's the one. I'll change package now. Oh yeah, it's the one. Normal, but before they were not writing at long or anything. It was just normal. So I got pads. I still have the tampons. I got this tool for my cereal. This flamingo soap. So I tried the milk one, the coconut one, the pink one. So this round I want to try this lemon one. These things, they smell so good. They smell nice. I got this lotion. The other one has depleted. I think it's around here. Yeah, this lotion smells so good. Like it's everything. I love, you know, there are two of them. The one that has the blue writing and this that has kind of orange writing. So I love this one more than the other blue writing one. It's so nice. Energize and hydrates. This lotion, you should try it. If you love men's stuff, men products, you should try this one. It's super nice. I also got this Airy Pride, my all-time hand soap. I love this. Now today is when I'm realizing. Before I forget, I also got this dish soap. You know me, I love this dish soap so much. The last 2 times I went shopping, I didn't get this dish soap, but this round when I saw it, I almost jumped up and down, like so excited and all that. But hey, thank God I got it. Thank God I got it. Now today is the day I'm realizing this. The same company, because these are my all-time hand soap, and this is the soap dish that I love so much. So yeah, I got this one, the apricot one and the coconut one for the guest room and one for my bathroom. The kitchen one is still there. Yeah. Oh, I also got this. This is another thing that I have never tried, because I always use the AC one, the toilet cleaner, the AC toilet cleaner. But since it was not there and this one was there, I was like, let me try it. And it also had like an offer. This, so they made just this vim now. So I have 2. So I got this one. I still have the other one that is I'm still using. And also Vaseline. I love Vaseline a lot. I also use it on my face, just sometimes to just moisturize my face and also moisturize my lips. Yes, Vaseline. We are on the last, I almost called it a package. Yeah. I was not expecting to buy this much, because my list was kind of small. Yeah, I was not expecting to buy it. But there are some 1 to 3 things that I impulse bought, and there's also another thing that I didn't get. I didn't get my coffee, like my all-time coffee. I did not get it. So I just have to wait till they restock it. Yeah. Noodles all time. I got this biscuit. I want to try it on something. This manji one that looks like Oreo. I want to try it on something. So I got this. This was another impulse buy. I got this juice. These days I'm loving the cocoa pine. I used to take it when I was a kid. I used to love it. So again, now these days I'm just falling in love with it. Yeah, I didn't get the orange one. I also love the orange juice so much. It tastes so nice. I also got this cake. This was another impulse buying, because I was hungry and I was like, let me just get this cake. The moment I get home, I'm going to just eat it first before doing anything. But look at me now, look at me now. This is another brand that I saw it and I was like, let me just try it. Yeah, why not? Another impulse buying crepes. I also got this soy sauce. I'm not used to this soy sauce, I think. Yeah, I don't know if I've ever used this soy sauce, but my love for soy sauce is on another level. I love soy sauce a lot. Because the one that they always write dark, extra dark. That's me. Drinking chocolate, another noodles, Pepsodent, toothpaste. Yeah. Oh. Unga ugali, amaze. Let me first continue with this. Green grams. So I got amaze, 3 of them. Ooh. The other one is a brick. Yeah. Chapo, ajab. I did not get the pembe one, so I got this ajab. Which ajab is also good. It's also a very amazing brand. Yeah, so let me just get ajab here and make our chapos. These are just yellow beans. Yeah, and another thing is salt. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that was it. That's everything that I got from the supermarket. Yeah, so let me like arrange them real quick. After that I continue cooking. Yeah, we cook with you guys. So this is everything that I got.
Wing in the west wing of this mansion, what's happening? I am playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you tryna lay in these arms, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. I'ma leave the door open. That you feel the way I feel and you want me like I want you tonight, baby. Tell me that you're coming through. Ooh, you're so sweet, so tight. I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the hate. And if you're hungry, girl, I got filet. Ooh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love we could be making. I'm talking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling. I am playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to lay in these arms, I'ma leave the door open.
So I'm done with the arranging plus cleaning the countertop. Now I'm just letting that beef to boil. After that, then we'll start the cooking and all that. Let me chill and continue editing some stuff. Then I'll see you guys when the meal when I'm now frying the beef. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Kama kuongea inanishinda leo. I don't know what's up, but anyway, I'll see you guys after. So my meat is done boiling. Now I just want to add onions and ginger. guys, the meal is here. I'm just having a rice, beef and juice, and that is Tutu's food. Yeah, so guys, I'll see you on my next video. Please consider to subscribe and hit that notification button, so just in case your girl here gets to upload a new video, you get notified. See you on my next one. Mwah.